So what we're going to do is back up our database. And it's always a good idea if you have a database that has important information in it, like client information or financial information, that you take periodic backups. So we are going to back this up, and then we're going to purposefully mess up a field in one of our tables, and then we're going to restore the database from our backup. So to back this thing up, we're going to go to File and Save As. And Save Database As is correct. And we are going to choose Backup Database and Save As. And by default, it does put the year, month, and day in the file name so we know when the backup was taken. And they would like us to create a new folder inside Access Level 2, Chapter 8. So we should be inside AL2C8. And we're going to click on New Folder. And we're going to call this Database Backups. And we're going to open that new folder. And we're going to save right into the folder. And you'll notice that we're still working on 8 RSR CompServe. And so what we're going to do is open up our customers table in Design View. And we're basically going to mess up our city field. We're going to click on it and change the width from 25 to 5. And we're going to save our changes. And we're going to say yes to losing data. And then when we go into Datasheet View and look, we have a little issue with our city, okay, because the city has been chopped off. And not only that, but once you make a change like that, you can no longer undo. Okay, so you can't reverse the change. So what we're going to do is basically restore our database using our backup. So to restore this, we're going to close it. And then we're going to open up our database backup folder. We're going to right-click on our backup database and copy. And then we're going to go back out to AL2C8. And we're going to right-click and paste. Don't paste shortcut, do just a regular paste. Okay, and that puts that copy here. And so then what we're going to do, because the copy that we made as a backup actually is now the good copy because it's got the city field with the width of 25. So what we're going to do is delete the old one. And then we're going to rename the new one. Just get rid of the date that's on the end. And now we're going to open our database. And if we go in and look at the customer table and look at city, it is back to being 25. So that is how you back up and restore.